On today's installment of the Shrimp Forge, we prepare the forge for our first test fire and fire up copper, reclaimed from wire. Do enjoy, please subscribe. Long ago, the four projects lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when we bought our new Devil Forge. Do a little paint jobby like that.
The only other thing...
Masterclass.
Are you ready for the 15-minute timer?
No.
It's like pick and show, you only show your arms.
Huh?
It's like pick and show, you only show your arms. You're a bit heavier than your usual pudding mix. We didn't cheat, we didn't watch a tutorial. Oh.
7 minutes.
Left?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you hold that for a sec.
Oh dear lord, this towel's gonna go everywhere, man.
No, we're gonna do it slowly.
This looks like plaster to be fair, doesn't it?
So I'll try to make it a little bit curvy, so...
I like that, I like that. And it feels like a left-handed curve as well, I like that. The finishing squad.
Only fact being that this is all going to be like... Oh no!
What's that, bro? Oh. That's something you didn't do in the tutorial. You didn't tell us that.
Don't shows it.
Oh, so it's out.
So now I'm going to try and let a bit of air in it just to get a bit of a blue flame going.
Shots don't know this man. Flies get higher. Right, we are at 0.1.
I think that is going to warm up like that. I don't think you're ever going to beat that.
We might need to preheat the crucible first.
I want to do what that one exactly does. Cheers! Yes, definitely go. I don't know. Where's should we just shut it a little bit harder? Like drop it almost on itself. Break it. Yeah, there you go. Do that. Do that. Do that. Open the lid up. Right, yeah, it was just a little bit of gas left in the chamber. It's fine. It's gone.
Oh my god. Oh no.
All the way over, Gee. Don't let that stay cold in there. Yeah, can do. And then put the coins up on the top.
Sick, bro.
Now the tongs.
Yeah, boy! Need to turn it off at the thing.
Can if you want.
Did we not last time?
We did as well, yeah.
It's got to be quick, bro.
Let's see if these work.
Ingots. Oh, overspilt. Go for the big ingot. Yeah, boy.
Oh gee, that was so much more seamless than my one. That's so cool, man. So I want to keep your bar?
Not gonna lie, it's a lot better.
That's perfect, isn't it?
Even that's got weight to it, man.
This is Callum's new age coin.
What do you currency?
That's our first try compared to our second.